Reading Pioneers is proud to present Pinkalicious and the Pink Drink by Victoria Kann. It was a sunny day, too hot to play. I was blowing bubbles in the shade. That made me think of the giant bubblegum machine at the toy store. I ran inside to check my piggy bank. It was empty. I wanted a gumball. I wanted 20 gumballs. I wanted 35 gumballs. Pink ones. But how could I get the money to buy them? Mommy said, "Let's have a lemonade stand." Pink lemonade, I said. Pink, pink, pink! Mommy got out the pitcher and the sugar and the lemons. "I know how," I said. "I'll do it myself." I put the sugar and the water into the pitcher. I squeezed the lemons. I stirred it all together. It was yummy, but it wasn't pink. I opened the fridge. I didn't find any pink lemons, but I found some other pinkish things. Pink grapefruit, pink watermelon, pink frosting, and a bowl full of purplicious beets. I put all of them in the pitcher and I stirred it all up. My little brother, Peter, helped me put up my pink lemonade stand. I let him try the lemonade for free. "Weird," said Peter. "Kind of chewy. I like it." Mr. Peabody came by and gave me a quarter. My first real customer! Mr. Peabody made a face. "It's definitely missing something," he said. "Either that or it has too much of something else." I had an idea. "The sweeter, the better," I said. I ran and got the honey bear and squeezed the honey in. Peter stirred and, oh no! He knocked over the pitcher. "I'm sorry, Pinkalicious," he said. "Don't get mad." I got mad. "That's easy to fix, Pinkalicious. We'll make some more," said Mommy. I started to get out the pink grapefruit, pink watermelon, pink frosting, and purplicious beets. "What's all that?" Mommy asked. "All that's how to make it pink," I told her. Mommy said, "How about we just use one thing to make it pink this time?" And she pulled out some strawberries. It wasn't as exciting or as lumpy as the first batch, but it was still beautiful pink lemonade. I sold the whole pitcher in no time flat. I went to the toy store with my lemonade stand money. 6 quarters, 4 dimes, 5 nickels, and 10 pennies. 9 gumballs, pink ones. 8 for me and 1 for Peter. Peter looked sad. I gave him 3 and kept 6. Peter still looked sad. I stuffed 1 gumball in my mouth, kept 4, and gave 4 to Peter. Even Steven, Peter said. He was very happy. Gumballs don't last forever, and my piggy bank is empty again. Maybe tomorrow I'll have a bake sale. I can make pink cupcakes. Thank you, readers, for joining us today with the story Pinkalicious and the Pink Drink. What did you guys think? With the summer really hot these days, I think it's fun to try to start a small business like a lemonade stand or mowing your neighbor's lawns for a little extra cash. But I'd love to hear your thoughts about Pinkalicious and her story. I'd also appreciate it if you liked this video and shared it with your friends and family to help grow this channel. If you really enjoyed this book and are interested in other read-alouds, subscribe and click the notification bell to keep up to date with all future uploads by Reading Pioneers. Until that next upload, here are some other videos that I think you'll enjoy. Unfortunately though, this is all the time we have for today's video. So until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.